An Airbus A320 with 142 passengers and 6 crew members has crashed in Digny region, southern France. Media reports an Airbus A320 with 142 passengers and 6 crew members has crashed in Digny region, southern France. Media reports say the jet, which belonged to Germanwings low-cost airline, was flying from Barcelona to Düsseldorf. The plane crash in the French Alps was confirmed by General Directorate of Civil Aviation DGCA. The jet crashed in the Upper Bielny Valley, Le Provence wrote. Emergency services are currently heading to the disaster zone. France Interior Minister Bernard Cazeneuve has confirmed the plane crash and is headed to the scene, local TV reported. He added that debris from the crashed jet has been found near a village. He added that debris from crashed jet has been found near the small town of Barcelonet, a commune in Alps to Haute-Provence. The plane was lost from the radars at about 9:39 Greenwich Mean Time, according to FlightRadar24, an internet service displaying real-time aircraft flight information on a map.